Hey everyone, today I'll be showing you guys how to make claims for FBA returns in order to get reimbursement. To begin, there are two types of FBA returns you're going to get: customer damaged or incorrect. So for customer damage, you're not supposed to be getting reimbursements under FBA guidelines, but you still can if you make claims. For me, I've gotten about 50 to 60% of my claims reimbursed for customer damage. Incorrect. When the customer scams you, you should be able to get it 90 to 100% of the time. The difference between the two templates is around this part where it says it does not match the new condition, but in incorrect, it says the buyer has chosen to send a product that is completely different than the item shipped. Um, so now that we know the difference between these two, we're gonna go over what you need. So you're gonna need the packing slip, the LPN, 3 to 5 photos of the actual product, and you don't have to, but I I typically put in a picture of the shipping label as well. So what does a packing slip look like, and what does the LPN look like? So in the box of your FBA return, there should be a packing slip like this, and these three numbers. Oops, let's see. Let's put it closer. So these three numbers right here is what you're gonna need. And then the ASIN and the SKU are going to be in the bottom right here with the product title as well. So that's going to be everything that you're going to need right here where I'm highlighting. And the product title is right here where I'm highlighting. Right? And then what does the LPN look like? So LPN is typically on in a poly bag that is wrapped around your FBA return or on the box that's in your wrapped around your FBA return. So it's going to look like this. It says LPN. Um, and that's what you're going to need as well. So you're going to need to take a picture of the packing slip, take a picture of the LPN, and take a picture of the photos and the shipping label as well. So how are you going to make this claim is you're going to copy this right here, and then you're going to go back to Seller Central. Oops. So this is where Seller Central home. You're just going to go help, the top right here. Okay, now that you're here, you're going to get support. Selling on Amazon. Then you're going to copy your template here, fill out all the the details on your. This is going to be all on your packing slip, and then the LPN is obviously on the LPN, and then the product title is also on your packing slip, right? So you're going to hit continue, and you're going to put in the FSQ or ASIN. Doesn't really matter; it's optional, but I do. Um, and you're going to add your attachment. So typically, I like to compile all the photos on one PDF and then just attach it as that. So it's easier for the customer service rep. And sometimes you can't attach that many attachments. So I think that's the best way to do it. So yeah, so going back, you need the pictures of the packing slip, LPM, product photos, and you don't have to, but the shipping label, and you compile that to one PDF and attach it, and then you send it. You're gonna get a case ID, and I like to track everything. So I have this Google spreadsheet with the tracking to track it. So you're just gonna copy. So you copy your case ID, whatever the number is, and then fill it out, and then you're gonna go back and see if you got reimbursed or not, and then you just fill it out, and then you just total it at the end here. And that's basically it. That's all you're gonna need. I think these templates, I'm gonna provide the links, and then this as well. I'll provide the link, but I mean, it's pretty simple. You can just look at it and just copy it yourself on your own Google Sheet. But yeah, I think that's about it. Thanks for watching this video. I hope this really helps you guys. It really helped me get my money back. I think I started doing it last August, and I've gotten back about $1,200. So it really does work, guys. So yeah, thanks for watching. Take care.